Okay, I will be taking one option here. Okay, internal employee or okay external. So I will take employee type. So employee type I will take. Okay, and it could be a kind of choice field where I should have internal and external. Okay, so maybe vendors will come to our office. Okay, that time I will need to build it. So maybe I can specify maybe at the end of the year, maybe facility team wants to have pull out a report. Okay, this cubicle space tickets, how many are created for external? Maybe they can have one option to filter it out. So I'm taking one field here. The field here is something like it should show like this. See here, it should show like this. Okay, so I will have the name as what is that name? Type employee type, and I should have an option here, external or internal. He is also our he is also our employee only, but he's an external employee like a vendor. Okay, or maybe you just say region for slot. Okay, instead of saying this one, okay, maybe say region. Okay, then you can have okay some choices: internal meeting, okay, vendor meeting, town hall meeting. What else, ma? Stand up call, weekly meeting. So I'm just getting few things what they may be relevant or not relevant, but yeah. So these options I can keep it, okay, for the reason. Can we keep it? Which one can we keep it? This one or this one? Both are same
So,
type. Yes, yes, ma'am.
so what if we want to keep both and we want them to be related, as in,
We can do it.
uh, okay,
So, but internal, maybe you need to show only internal meeting. Huh? For internal, we
yes,
can show all of them.
correct,
For external, only one.
correct.
Okay. So first create this one then. Employee type, right? So employee type, I'm just creating it. So go to table. This field is one of the very important field. Okay. So field creations, we started creating it here. So here, choice field, right? Choice, just take it. When we are creating choice, we have a lot good, very good concept also to be covered. Okay, type choice, right? And what is that? Employee type. Okay, right, right. So here employee type came first time. This is a label. Okay, where you see a label name, but you don't have anything called choices, no? So just save once. Okay, I saved once now. After I saved it, you see something called choices. Okay, in down, you see something called choices. Okay, now you create your own choices. So I'll just open this choice page, but I'll come here, refresh it. Okay, building for text field we created. Employee type choice, it came like this, but no choices. So now we are going to create a new choice. Okay, so when I create a field, which table it will store, ma?
Cubicle space.
Dish,
Dictionary.
If I create a column or a field, which table it will store?
It says dictionary.
dictionary table,
Sys
It's a
underscore,
Dictionary.
single dictionary.
yeah, sys underscore
sys
dictionary.
underscore
Dictionary
dictionary.
for dictionary.
Dictionary.
But the choices in the system will go and store in a separate table that is called sys underscore choice table. Okay, so even though it's part of one of the dictionary entry, but choices will separately store in choices table. Okay, so take this item and then go here and keep it. It's not a choice field, but it's choice. Okay, internal, right? And sequence or order. Okay, wherever you see from now, okay, in service now, wherever you see a sequence or order, ORDER order, the same concept. What is that concept is I will cover. So I will just say 100 here. Okay. For this we have only two, so it won't be like it is not having a much difference, but I'll just tell you maybe. So I'm just saving it once.
So what is that value?
100 I kept it. I will explain it now. Okay. So see here, refresh. Okay, I got one choice. Okay. Now I'm in the choice field, right? What I do is if instead of going back to the column, create a new choice. No, so see something like this. So see here, we are here, right? We are here. Where is the choice field? Okay, this is our choice field, right? So we came down, something like this. Okay, and we hit new here, right? To create a new choice. Yes, ma, everyone.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
now I
Yes.
want to
Yes.
create one. I want to create one more choice now that is external, right? So I can say new here, it opens the same kind of box and then you can do it. But what I do is just to see the trick, okay? In real time, we can use this trick, okay? You are in the choice table, okay? Label, say external. I am changing the existing one, okay? And then say ext, okay? And instead of saving it, I'll just say insert and stay or insert. Insert means save as, okay? With the last changes that you did with the existing configurations, it will create a new record. Okay, so say insert or insert and stay, both are same. So I'll say insert and stay. Now two choices are created. Okay, the other one also created and it didn't touch the first one. Okay, because you didn't save it, you inserted it, inserted or insert and stay, and you see the results also here. So to save our time now, you will be in the same page and then you just change the values and uh, then insert and stay you can do. Okay, we will be doing it for more choices now. We have more choices now that you see. For this we will see. Where is our requirement? Here. For this we will see. Okay, insert and stay will save our lot of time here. But now, okay, here two sequences are there, two order are there. Okay, 100, 200. So generally, I'm not giving any value here. Just say 0. That means no value, right? When we don't give any value, the sequence or the order will make the order of the pattern. So see here, I kept two choices. Okay, the choice refresh. The choices came automatically by alphabetical because both numbers are same, right? So 0 0. Okay, and if you took E is first, I is next. So you can see external first, internal second. Okay, now I want to make internal first and external second. Okay, so I want to make my own order. That's where the sequence or order will come. So here you just give, okay, internal equal to 100, external equal to 200. Okay, so as it is less, it shows first, it is more, it shows next. So this is sequence or order. Okay, now you refresh it and then see, right? Internal, external. Now in your minds, immediately you'll get a question. Okay, why I need to give 100 and 200, sir? Why can't I give 1 and 2 also? Yes, we can give 1 and 2 also. Okay, but we just give 100 and 200s because of some benefit. That what is that benefit? I will explain in few minutes. Okay, ma? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ah. So see here,
Yes, sir.
till now what we created is we created a simple column. Okay, the column type here is choice. Okay, and we want to capture the employee type with two values. Okay, values are internal and external. So once you saved it, you get choices. You create two choices. The choice page is like this. Okay, and now this is how you see the choice table, choice field. Now next one is reason. Okay, so reason we will just create another choice. Okay, so just go to the table again. Okay, so this is also choice field. So anyone please keep it on mute, ma. When I send this meet like a video, no, no, it will make so much of noise for you people, like if you unmute it. So again, I'm creating a choice field, but this time more choices. Okay, so choice and reason. Okay, and just save once. Okay, so someone given me some requirement. What is the requirement is, okay, I want this region choice field should be, okay, dependent on this one. So if I say internal, I should see only internal related. So what are internals here? So see here, this is not comes under internal. So this is external. So vendor meeting, right? So I'll just keep it here. Okay. And is there any external meetings where you can say these are all internal only? So this one, this one, this one, this one, these are all internal. Okay. So if you say internal, these four can be covered. If you say external, we have only one vendor meeting and what else?
Review meeting with
Review,
stakeholders.
stakeholder review meeting. Stakeholder meeting, I will say. Stakeholder itself is a vendor, but yeah, vendor, stakeholders, our customers. Okay, ma'am. So stakeholder meeting. So these two we can show, right? So you are all got the requirement, ma? What we are trying to do. So see here
Yes.
something like this. Okay. Here in its incident table, we have two choices: category, subcategory. Okay, category we have few choices. Say software. When you say software subcategory, it will only show software related subcategories. Okay, email and operating system. But if you change it to hardware, okay, email and operating system, change it to these hardware related choices. Okay, if you just go to network, subcategory will show different set. If you change to database, subcategory will change to different set. You are getting this one, ma? Everyone? Yes, this is what we are
Yes,
going.
yes.
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 This is what we are going to do for our table also. Okay, with the form of
Is it field dependency, sir?
we are doing it now. Yes, field dependency. Yes. Okay. So reason. This is the field name and it's a
So you
choice.
didn't save it, right?
I didn't say. I'm just creating it now. I'm
Okay.
not yet creating. Okay. Reason. The name of the choice field. Okay, and the backend name. And here something called dependent value is there. Okay. So sorry. Where is the dependent value? Not here, ma. Just let me save it. I'm just saving it. Right. Uh, Dependent value, yes, it came and gone. Okay, now it came after they saved it. So here, mention the dependent value field. Sorry, am I, Yes. Okay, so what is the field that we need to select? Region. This one, na?
Yes.
No, this is region. One second. Type, right? Employee type, we need to select, ma.
Employee type,
Right,
sir.
right.
Employee type. Yeah. So this one I selected. Okay, now save it. Okay. So
Sir, where you are creating that dependency field, can you just tell us again?
I'm creating one choice field. Okay. Once I saved it, I have one option called dependent field in the middle. Okay. I checked it and then selected the dependent field.
Okay. How does this field populated dependent field from where?
In the choice field that we are creating now, this is the choice field I am creating, region field.
Okay.
I just created a new choice field. Let me show you one more time.
Okay. New choice field. Okay.
We are creating a new choice field now, the region field.
Hmm.
Right. Okay. So now here, what is our next step, ma? We created a choice field. Okay. And then what next? For choice, what we need to do? Choices we need to do.
Choices.
Right.
You need
So
to create
here,
a choice.
yeah, we need to create the choices. So go to the field, okay, region field, and then down you see the choices. Okay, create one by one, and see we marked this one as dependent field. Remember, okay. So new, we are creating a new choice. Okay, right. So region en means that is in a language. So first to get internal. Okay,
So now for English, they have given that denotion of en. Okay, uh,
English,
because
ma.
there's yes, correct. So, so if we want any other language, how do we know what is the short form of
It will be
uh,
there in the documentation. First of all, documentation will provide you the codes, ma. En. EG, HS, PN something.
Okay.
Right. Okay. So see here, I am setting, this is a choice field, ma. Okay, this is a choice field for reason. Okay, I'm setting internal. That is good. Okay, dependent value, na. This dependent value I will be giving. Okay, the value of what is that? Employee type. So this is a choice type, na. So this this value I am just giving int. Understood, ma?
Yes.
Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir, could you repeat once again, sir?
Okay.
So,
So see here,
explain, sir.
I will explain, ma. I will explain. Let me create it and then I will explain it. Okay. You will see the results and I can explain one more time, so it will be more clearer. So see here, I created one of this one. So refresh it. Okay. So internal, if I say internal, I could see internal meeting, right? The same internal, if I say external, it should not show. This is what our main requirement, right? Yes, ma, agree?
Yes, sir.
Huh. So first region field level. Okay, where is that region field? So where is that? Huh. Let me open it again. Okay, in column level we set this one first. Okay, dependent value and that. Okay, region or employee type. The we clubbed like we mixed them. We made a connection here. Okay. Then next level is choices level. When you are creating choice, okay, what is this? This one. This is the first choice you created. And then here dependent value is the choice value of the one which you want to show use. So the value of this internal, this field internal, int is the value, backend value, right? Label and name, two things will be there.
Sir,
Right.
one thing, sir. If you have any other choices, I mean,
We
there
will
is
be
a.
seeing it, ma. External also we will be seeing it.
Sir, if internal also, if
Uh-huh.
there is a internal, there is a 2 to 3. I mean,
2 to 3 means
how?
what?
So
It
if
is
it is internal, no, sir, there is
uh,
a two choices. I mean, there is a two dependents. If you can say that internal meeting or something.
mhm.
So, sir, like
Yes.
under subcategory. So, for internal category, there should be two subcategories.
We will get uh,
Yes,
for internal meeting we have two, we should get two values, right? That's what the requirement.
Yes, yes.
We will be getting, we didn't create all fields, ma. We created only one now. So we will be creating all.
but sir, I had a query for that int. You just wrote int and not internal. So,
Yeah.
in the label name also we have it as internal, no?
No, ma. System null. No, what is the question, ma? Can you please repeat it? So see here,
Uh,
these two are choices, right?
okay,
These two are choices for the type. Okay. And system will always take the backend name. If you pass internal, no, it won't take. So I passed this value, int. Okay. So that system will take this one as a dependent value. So when I click here int, the backend value of the choice, where, see, this is the choice. This is the choice that is the parent for this, right?
correct.
So this one, how system will identify is it will identify with int, not internal. That's what I kept here as a dependent value. For other one, what I keep it? If it is external, what I will keep it? Maybe I will say ext.
INT is a system name,
System readable.
system friendly name.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
You got
Okay.
that one, ma?
So, sir,
Sir,
there are three links. One is label, one is name, and one is value. Can you access the label internal?
No. Label it system
sir,
will not identify, ma. Yes.
sir, when we are creating any field, name is a backend value. When
Yes.
we are creating choice, value is the backend value.
Yes, ma. Apart
Okay.
from label, if you see other one, that is a backend value. Yes.
Okay. Label is always front end value.
Front end
User
value.
seeing
Display
value.
value.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So I'm creating one more. Okay. With, see here. So next one is town hall meeting. Town hall meeting is also internal. So I don't touch anything here, but I will just only touch here. Okay. So town hall. TAM. Okay. So this is also comes under internal. So just keep it 200. Okay. Save as. right? And then take another stand up. This is also internal. Okay, and 300. And weekly meeting, yes, this is also internal. 400. So I'm just creating choices. Also, we are making some relationship with the existing field. Okay.
ఒకసారి చూద్దాం క్లాస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత చూద్దాం.
So you haven't saved it. You have just clicked on insert and stay. So
Yeah,
this
ma.
will
It is
save
save as,
the
ma. It
record.
is save as. Save
Okay.
as. I'm not touching the existing field, but I'm doing save as. Okay.
Okay.
So see here, 4 we created so far. So it will save our time now, because if you don't do this way, you have to again go to that and then say new and open
No,
it.
no. I understand insert and stay, but what I was saying, you didn't save and then
Insert
click
and
on
stay
insert
is,
and stay.
yeah, insert and stay will be like save as, ma.
Okay.
Okay. So see here, I kept it int, 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 right? For all ints came here. 4 ints we created. Okay. They are showing here, right? And if I say external, it should not show because they have a dependent choice value. Why? Okay, nothing. Okay. Now create the rest for external. So here, vendor meeting, stakeholder meeting. So here label this one. Okay, say vendor meeting, VM. Okay. Here, dependent value, what I need to give, ma?
ENT
EXT.
external
EXT,
value.
the backend value of the choice, which you are selecting here. Enter. Okay. Yeah, very good. So, so here you can say 100 and insert and stay. It creates a new choice. Okay. And then what is the last one? Stakeholder meeting. Okay. So here also external and then make it 200.
And if somebody by mistake put the sequence same, what
It
happens?
will take alphabetical. No? 0 0 is in, no? That is the answer.
Okay.
So when we say 0 0 or same value, it will take alphabetical by the name starts.
Okay. But it will not like overlap or not show
No,
the
no,
choice.
no, no, ma. It will not overlap.
Can
Okay.
we hint
I did the
tag?
insert and stay, ma. I
No,
did
no.
that insert and
So
stay. No, huh? We'll
the
see.
last option in the choices no is hint.
It came. I did that. I did
So
it,
can
ma.
yeah, can you go to any choices that you have? Yes. So under below dependent value
Hint.
this hint. Yes. What does that do?
Hint is like if you select something, no, it will show, okay, see, B18 ServiceNow badge, right? And that now this is not insert and stay, this is a save. Okay. Now let's see how it comes. So that is the choice of external. Okay. And this one. So, if you see a small box with some message,
Yes.
B18 ServiceNow badge, that is a hint. And if you see, you don't get it here because you don't added any hint here, and here you added a hint.
Got it, sir.
Simple. Okay. So now this is, see here, what we see in here is we created two two choice types of field, and we seen how to create a choices. Okay. And then we also seen the choices how to make the dependent to each other, field level and choice level. So now if I say internal, you will see only internal related choices. If you say external, if you will see external related choices. Make sense, ma? Everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, next one is, see here in the choices only. Okay, choices have three concepts. One, two concepts, and three concepts. Okay. First, choice creation, field creation. Okay, and then choices creation. Okay, and then dependent. Okay, so